Well, hello there. It's been a while since I put anything out on this video content network known as YouTube, but I gotta get more consistent with that. I thought maybe I would do the news of the week or something, but in today's news, Kavanaugh. We'll talk more about that later, but I just got back from Meals on Wheels and I wanted to, one of the ladies was off today, but the meal came ready, so I want to take you inside and I'll show you what it's like to eat one of these meals. Now you only get a hot and a cold meal, and that's what the hot meal looks like, and that's what the cold meal looks like. So let's open this up. Okay, well, keep this in mind. As you eat this meal, Meals on Wheels, you will get one hot meal and one cold meal. And you will have to deal with this every day. Sometimes they're not too hot. Maybe they might be cold as you get them, but here's what this meal looks like. It looks like some kind of beef stroganoff. Some of your vegetables get pushed into the beef stew and a little bit of rice. Now, what's wrong with that? Warm that up, that might be pretty good. Doesn't smell too bad. Alright, there is the hot meal. This is the cold meal. Looks like they get, look at all this waste, styrofoam waste. You get a little fruit, doesn't smell too bad. And then they get a piece of bread. Smart Choice butter spread for the bread. A little apple juice. And another container with some more vegetables. So there is your average Meals on Wheels. Vegetables, juice, fruit, a piece of bread, soak up all your beef stroganoff and rice. So that's it. That's coming to you. If your predictions aren't right. If you're predicting a future of living high on the hog, that might not come true. This is definitely low on the hog meal. So with that, I'll bid you adieu. But I want to talk about today's news. And in today's news, don't let the past come back and haunt you, because it will. In today's society, society is ready to eat each other alive. I'm talking to you, society. We got a judge that wants to be Supreme Court judge, but he can't be because he felt up a girl when he was a teenager, and she is coming out of the closet and saying, "Me too. I've been sexually abused by this man." And he has no right to be on the Supreme Court. We don't know who this man is. Who is this man? He could still be up to no good. Even though he coaches little girls' soccer and basketball teams and has no complaints over the last 43 years, he's no good because, when he was a young, drunk teenager, he crawled on top of a girl and tried to sexually assault her. Now, he didn't get the first base and he didn't get the second base. And he's definitely didn't hit a home run. So, how dare I speak of sexual assault as a baseball game? How dare I? Well, that's society we live in. If you're hurt by an analogy of baseball for sexual innuendos, well, I think your feelings might be a little too sensitive because it's been that way for years and years and years. Oh, we need to change it now. Okay, Justin Kavanaugh, you're denied. And let's wait till the next person steps up to bat and see what base he can get onto. Well, for all of you that have never done any wrong, that have never done any evil deed in your life, the Supreme Court is waiting for you. Just sign up and better make sure you have no past. That's all I got to say on this matter. Hey, stay tuned for your next weekly update. This week, Kavanaugh. Next week, who knows what. I was going to start this when McCain died, but the outrage was too big from what Trump did, so I just couldn't do it. The evil Trump and the evil doings of Kavanaugh. What is this world coming to? I don't know. Save yourself. Save yourself.